Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best detailing brush sets that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just looking for the best tools to keep your vehicle spotless, we've got you covered. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Polworry 9 Pieces Detailing Brush Set. This kit is a straightforward and budget-friendly option for anyone looking to tackle basic car cleaning tasks. With 5 different brush sizes and a mix of stiff and soft bristles, this set is versatile enough for both interior and exterior cleaning. The stiff bristle brush is particularly effective for heavy-duty tasks like scrubbing tires or removing grime from floor mats. Additionally, the inclusion of 2 wire brushes and a chemical fiber brush makes it easier to clean stubborn areas like engine components and exhaust ports. In terms of design, the brushes are lightweight and compact, making them easy to handle during extended cleaning sessions. However, the build quality feels a bit less robust compared to some of the other options on this list. While the brushes are functional, they might not hold up as well under frequent, heavy use. For light cleaning tasks, though, they perform admirably. This set is a good fit for beginners or those looking for a supplementary kit for quick, on-the-go cleaning. However, it lacks some of the advanced features and accessories found in other kits. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option to handle occasional cleaning, this is a decent choice. Pros include its affordability, lightweight design, and versatility, while cons include limited durability and a lack of premium accessories. At number 4, we have the Nook 11 Pieces Auto Detailing Set. This set stands out for its natural wood handles and boar hair bristles, which provide a touch of elegance and durability. The 6 different brush sizes ensure that you can tackle everything from tight lug nuts to broad dashboard surfaces. The boar hair bristles are soft enough to prevent scratches, while still being effective at removing dust and dirt from delicate surfaces like leather and glass. One of the standout features is the 2-in-1 mini duster, which combines a cleaning cloth with a brush to handle hard-to-reach interior areas like air vents. Additionally, the set includes a high-quality steel wire brush for removing rust and tough stains. The ergonomic wooden handles are comfortable to grip and come with a convenient hanging hole for easy storage. However, the kit lacks some of the more advanced accessories found in larger sets, like drill attachments or polishing pads. The Nook detailing set is ideal for car owners who value simplicity and quality over quantity. It's perfect for those who primarily focus on maintaining the interior and exterior surfaces of their vehicles without needing a comprehensive, multi-purpose kit. Pros include its premium materials, comfortable design, and effectiveness for delicate surfaces. On the downside, it's a bit limited in scope and doesn't offer tools for heavy-duty cleaning tasks like tires or rims. Taking the number 3 spot is the Manyinger 35-piece car detailing kit. This is the most comprehensive set on our list in terms of the sheer number of tools included. From drill brush attachments to a portable toolbox, this kit offers a wide range of tools to clean every nook and cranny of your vehicle's interior and exterior. The drill brushes are a standout feature, allowing for quick and efficient cleaning of wheels, tires, and even household surfaces like bathtubs and carpets. The portable toolbox is a nice added touch, keeping all the tools organized and easy to transport. The kit includes a variety of specialized brushes, including a dashboard dusting brush, wire brushes, and windshield cleaning tools. The overall build quality is solid, and the tools are designed for versatility. However, at 4.75 pounds, this kit is on the heavier side, which might not be ideal for those looking for something portable. This kit is perfect for car enthusiasts who want a one-stop solution for both vehicle and household cleaning tasks. Its versatility and wide range of tools make it a great value, though the large number of items might be overwhelming for beginners. Pros include its comprehensive toolset, sturdy storage box, and excellent versatility. Cons include its heavier weight and potentially overwhelming number of components for casual users. Coming in at number 2 is the Clean 34-piece car detailing kit. This set offers an impressive range of tools, including specialized brushes, drill attachments, polishing pads, and even a cleaning gel. The long-handle wheel rim brush and windshield cleaning tool are particularly useful for reaching those hard-to-access areas. The inclusion of polishing pads is a nice touch, allowing you to give your car that showroom shine after a thorough cleaning. The build quality of the tools is solid, and they are designed to handle everything from delicate surfaces to heavy-duty cleaning tasks. The kit also comes with a convenient storage bag, making it easy to keep everything organized. However, the Clean kit does not include a toolbox like the Myanmar set, which might make it slightly less portable. Additionally, the towels and wash mitt need to be washed before use to avoid leaving lint on surfaces. This kit is a fantastic choice for those who want a versatile set of tools for both car and household cleaning. It strikes a great balance between affordability, quality, and functionality. Pros include its comprehensive toolset, strong build quality, and useful polishing pads. Cons include the lack of a hard storage case and the need to pre-wash the towels before use. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the TTRCB 26 pieces car detailing brush set. This kit is the ultimate all-rounder, offering a comprehensive range of tools that cover everything from interiors to exteriors. With 26 pieces, including detailing brushes, drill brushes, wire brushes, a windshield cleaning tool, and even a car wash mitt, this set is designed for serious car enthusiasts. The 17-inch wheel brush is a standout feature, making it easy to clean deep into wheel rims without scratching the surface. The inclusion of a spray bottle and dash duster brush adds an extra layer of convenience for interior cleaning. The build quality is excellent, with sturdy materials that are built to last. The soft bristles are gentle on delicate surfaces, while the wire brushes are tough enough to tackle rust and grime. The kit also includes a storage bag, making it easy to keep everything organized and portable. At 3.41 pounds, it's lightweight enough to handle without fatigue during extended cleaning sessions. This kit is perfect for anyone who wants a professional-grade cleaning experience at home. Whether you're cleaning your car, motorcycle, or even household surfaces, the TTRCB kit has you covered. Pros include its versatility, high-quality materials, and thoughtful design. The only minor downside is that it might be overkill for casual users who don't need such a comprehensive set. Overall, it's the best value and functionality you can get in a detailing brush set. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next one.